Good morning, class 3. I hope everyone is fine. So, bete, now as we know, your unit test they are going to start from next week, and revision test they are starting from today only. So, now we will start with the revision work. As two chapters they are going to come in your test. So, first we will revise the first chapter, then after that we will revise the second chapter. So, first chapter of your syllabus is eating habits of animals. Chapter number 1, eating habits of animals. Now, what we have read in this chapter, we read about the different types of animals depending upon the food that they eat. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Mainly three types of animals we read about. Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. They eat different kinds of food. Herbivores, they eat plants. Carnivores eat flesh. Omnivores, they eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. Then after that, we read about how do they eat. How do they eat their food? What kind of teeth do they have? So, and at the end, we read one topic that is the food chain. So, let's see what is there in this chapter. Open page number 12 of your book. First topic is eating habits of animals. So, what we have read in this topic, different animals they have different types of eating habits. Eating habits means some like to eat plants only and plant products like fruits, vegetables, or leaves, branches. Some animals they like to eat only meat or flesh. Some animals they like to eat plants as well as animals like we human beings. We eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses that come from plants, and we eat meat, chicken, that is the animal food. That is called as eating habits of animals. As we have our habits, ईटिंग हैबिट्स, हमें क्या पसंद है, हमें प्लांट फूड भी पसंद है, हमें किसी को ओनली प्लांट फूड पसंद है. Some persons they like both animal food and plant food. Some persons they like only animal food. So that is our habits. The same way animals they also have their habits. So for depending upon the habits, animals they are categorized into three categories. First, your herbivores, they are the plant eating animals. Animals that eat only plants or plant products, that are called as herbivores. Plant products means the items that we get from the plants. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, all these are the plant products, means they are obtained from the plants. They are called as herbivores. Example, horse, cow, rabbit, buffalo, goat, sheep, they like to eat grass. Grass is a plant food. Monkeys like to eat banana. Banana is also a plant product. So all these animals they come in the category of herbivores. Next comes your carnivores. Carnivores कौन है? They like to eat flesh of other animals that are called as carnivores, or they are also known as flesh eating animals. Tiger, lion, fox, leopard, all these are the carnivores. Next comes your omnivores. They eat both plants as well as animal food. They are known as omnivores. They like to eat both plants. They eat vegetables, fruits, pulses, cereals. They eat flesh. They eat chicken. They eat meat. So all these organisms that eat both plants and animals, they come under the category of omnivores. Example कौन से हैं? Human beings, we are omnivores. Bear, crow, ostrich, these are the omnivores. So this was the topic, eating habits of animals. So in this topic you have to read only these three types of animals. Next is your how animals eat. These animals, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, they have different types of food. So they will have different eating habits. So they will have different types of teeth also to eat these type of foods. Now, herbivores, they have flat and broad front teeth. जो आगे वाले टीथ होंगे उनके वो फ्लैट होंगे और ब्रॉड होंगे, flat and broad, and they have the strong back teeth. With the front teeth, they will bite the food, and with the help of the back teeth, they will chew the food well. So their front teeth, they are broad and flat, थोड़े चौड़े होते हैं उनके जो front teeth हैं, and their back teeth जो पीछे वाले हैं, they are strong. Back teeth are strong to chew the food well. Next, we read one term in this topic, that is chewing the cud. You must have heard this term, chewing the cud. क्या होता है chewing the cud? What happens? There are some animals that swallow their food after chewing once. एक बार वो चबा लेते हैं अपना खाना, then they swallow it, means अंदर ले जाते हैं खाना. Again, what do? They again bring the food back into their mouth. जो swallow किया है खाना वो दोबारा से अपने मुंह में लेकर आते हैं उसको, and start chewing it and chew it for hours. फिर काफी देर तक उसको chew करते ही रहते हैं. That process is called chewing the cud. Now, which type of animals chew the cud? Like cows, buffaloes, the camel, these animals, they chew the cud. Again, I am repeating, what is chewing the cud? Chewing the cud means some animals, they chew their food and then after chewing once, they swallow it whole. एक बार चबाने के बाद उसको पूरा वो swallow कर लेते हैं, and उसके बाद क्या होता है? After that, the whole swallowed food, then they again bring it to their mouth. Means halfly swallow है, वो दोबारा से अपने मुंह में लेकर आते हैं और उसको बाद फिर उसको काफी टाइम तक फिर वो चबाते रहते हैं. This is called as chewing the cud. Now, what do you mean by cud over here? Cud is half chewed and swallowed food. Means पूरा वो चबाया नहीं गया होता food. That is called as half chewed and swallowed food. Cud, जिसे बोलते हैं हम cud. Next, there are some animals that have sharp front teeth to eat their food. Like rabbits, rats, and squirrels have sharp front teeth with which they bite nuts. Means they eat food that is very hard. The covering of the food is very hard. Nuts, they are very hard. Seeds, they are very hard. So, to break these type of foods, sharp teeth are required. Sharp teeth are needed. So, these animals, they have very sharp teeth and they continuously keep on eating their food. That is called as gunnowing. जिसे बोलते हैं gunnowing. Gunnowing you must have heard. जिसे बोलते हैं कुतरना. That is called as gunnowing. Rats, they gnaw the food. Next, carnivores. Carnivores, they eat flesh of other animals. So what type of teeth do they have? They have very sharp pointed front teeth. Their front teeth, they are pointed. Pointed means वो तीखे होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. Like this. And they have strong jaws. जो पीछे वाले हैं बहुत strong है उनके. And their back teeth are broad and flat. जो पीछे वाले teeth हैं वो broad हैं और flat हैं and they are very strong to eat the flesh of the animals. Then there are different types of animals given कि how do they eat their food. First is about the snakes. Snakes, they don't have teeth, so they swallow their food whole. We have teeth, we chew the food, then we swallow it. But snakes, they do not have teeth, so they swallow their food whole. Means जैसे वो मुंह में डालते हैं अपना खाना वैसे ही उसको swallow कर लेते हैं, निगल जाते हैं. Insects, they suck liquid food. Means they mostly take liquid food. So to take liquid food, they have one tube in their mouth, long thin tube, with the help of which they suck the food. Most of the insects, they suck juice from the flowers. वो juice लेते हैं, suck करते हैं flowers से. वो कैसे suck करते हैं? They suck with the help of this thin tube. Mosquitoes, they suck our blood. So with the help of this tube only, they suck the blood. Then frog. What about frog? Frog, it has a very long and sticky tongue. उसकी tongue जो पतली सी होती है and it is very sticky. When it spots an insect, when its food it comes near the stalk frog, then it take out its tongue out, then उसको होल्ड कर लेता है अपने फूड को, एंड देन अगेन रोल द टंग इनटू इट्स माउथ. सो दिस इज द वे हाउ फ्रॉग ईट्स इट्स फूड. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट के पास क्या है? एलिफेंट इट हैज अ लॉन्ग थिक ट्रंक to eat the food. This type of trunk it has. ऐसी trunk होती है elephant की. It has very long and thick trunk to break off the branches and the leaves of the plants. With the help of the trunk, it holds the branches and the leaves and then roll the trunk into its mouth and eat its food. And same way, it drinks water also with the help of the ट्रंक ओनली. ट्रंक को वो पूरा कर्ल कर लेता है. कर्ल मीन्स ऐसे मोड़ लेता है और उस अपने माउथ में डाल लेता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कर्लिंग ऑफ द ट्रंक. नेक्स्ट जिराफ. पिक्चर इज गिवन ओवर हियर ऑफ जिराफ. जिराफ हैज अ वेरी लॉन्ग नेक. विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट्स लॉन्ग नेक, it is easy for the giraffe to break off the branches of the long trees and leaves. So the long neck of the giraffe, it helps to break off the branches and leaves and eat its food. Now dogs and cats, they have the tongue. With the help of the tongue, they lap up the food, they lap up milk, they lap up water. वो अपने टंग की हेल्प से वो अपना खाना लेते हैं. Next was, let's remember that you know that we have already done. And the last topic of this chapter is food chain. What about food chain? This is a chain that shows how plants are eaten by the herbivores, and herbivores they are eaten by the carnivores, and then carnivores they are eaten by the another large carnivores. That is called as a food chain. So beta, we know कि plants they are autotrophs. Autotrophs means they don't take food from anyone. We are dependent on animals and plants for food. हमें plants से खाना चाहिए, हमें animals से भी चाहिए. So, but plants, they are not dependent on anyone for their food. They make their own food. वो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं with the help of water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. So these things they are needed for making food by the plants. So plants they are not dependent on any other things for the food. They make their own food. Now herbivores they are dependent on the plants for their food, and carnivores they are dependent on the animals for their food. So this chain is called food chain. Now see bete, in food chain always remember plants are always present at the beginning of the food chain. जो plants होंगे वो हमेशा starting में present होंगे, because plants they are not dependent on anyone. इन्होंने तो किसी से खाना लेना ही नहीं. They are making their own food. Plants को कौन खाएगा? Herbivores they eat plants. And who will eat herbivores? Carnivores. Carnivores herbivores को खाएंगे. This chain is called as food chain. जो चेन हमें बताती है कि प्लांट्स को कौन खाता है, देन हर्बीवोर्स खाते हैं, हर्बीवोर्स को कार्निवोर्स खाते हैं. that chain is called as a food chain. I'm giving you one example. Plant, कोई भी प्लांट लिख लो. Grass, we are writing grass. Who eats grass? Grasshopper. Grass को grasshopper खाता है. Who eats grasshopper? Frog. Who eats frog? Snake. And who eats a snake? Eagle. So this is a chain that is called as food chain. This chain is telling us who is eating plant food and who is eating the herbivores. So ये chain हमें बता रही है कि plants को कौन खा रहा है, herbivores को कौन खा रहा है, carnivores. So this chain is called as a food chain. So this is all about your chapter. There is nothing else, nothing extra there except all this that we have read already. Book work is also there. You can now easily answer all these questions as we have discussed whole chapter. Question answers are there that we have already read. So better be prepared and all the best for your test. Thank you and have a nice day.